close. We're making it through the light, headed for our departure gate to go get the Bluebird bus. Actually, this is probably go prepare the Bluebird bus, and then probably it'll require another trip or two to make sure that everything's ready to go. So the newbie learns how to run a checklist on all the mechanicals and everything like that. So this is something we've done more than once in our travels here. So it's never a dull moment in Missouri.
Here?
Yep. Once again, I've got my standard window seat. Life is good in Airlineville.
arrival gate is Charlie 20, baggage claim Charlie 15.
Well, the next level of the adventure's begun. I'm on my way to Fort Worth, and this is a new chapter. Old dogs can learn new tricks. So I'm Ubering for my first time, and I have a very great experienced driver, and this is cool. In Uber, you get rated as a passenger, so I'm going to try to be a 5-star passenger, and he's looking for 5 stars on his review. So, you know, it's a mutual back scratching situation here, and it's all good. It's turned out to be super convenient. I did look into other forms of transportation to downtown Fort Worth, but that wasn't convenient for where I'm really going. I'm going to the home of the Bluebird Wanderlodge. Thank you. Okay, well, we've reached the storage facility where the Wanderlodge is being stored. My sister's getting out, and so she's getting back in the car. And there's the office right there. It looks like a nice facility. And this bus has always been kept undercover. I think the previous owner was an American Airlines pilot that had it in a hangar for most of its life. And we have arrived. First thing I'm going to be interested in is, does it have a swing out radiator? So there's my first look at the bus. So let me get out and see how we do. All right, this is the first appearance of the 82 Wanderlodge. I'm trying to assess if it has a swing out radiator, but I won't be able to tell. There is some damage to the front of the radiator, but any good radiator shop can rebuild these things. Also, I'm looking for rust in the condition of the paint here. It's dirty, but the paint looks like it's in generally good shape. There is a little bit of corrosion around some of the screws and stuff like that. A lot of that is easily touched up, but the overall paint looks like it's in pretty good shape. There is some rust up on the ceiling racks, masking and slight wire brushing, and rust treatment can fix that. Tires are a little low, and you know, they're new, fairly new, so less than 2 years old, so that's good. I just get them inflated. Let me step back and go to wide angle here and see if I can get a better view of everything. Okay, so the front tires have, you know, been sitting for a while. The paint scheme is really nice. It's not just, you know, the baby poop brown that sometimes was used on these Wanderlodges. And, you know, like I said, so far, general paint and everything looks like it's going to clean up really nice. Of course, I don't think this has ever been modified with the access to the gray and black water valves that are a little easier to get to. Let's see if it... And of course, this has got the nice wheels, and those will polish up real nicely. Generally, moving up, there's, like I said, on the roof rack, there's a little surface rust, but nothing that some elbow grease and some light painting wouldn't fix. Let me move along and assess the back of the bus here. And